Okay, today we're going to be doing a liquid dye. I'm going to do a spiral fold, and it's going to be a two color dye. A couple of little pointers here that I was thinking of before I started making the video. I decided I want to use a hemostat to do the spiral. We'll see in just a second, but something dawned on me when I first started doing this. I bought hemostats just on Amazon, and a lot of them will have like these little jaws that you can see. And I noticed that unfortunately that those little jaws, they grip pretty hard. And if you're not really careful when you're pulling the hemostat off the shirt, you end up with a tiny little hole. Well, at least in this case, I did a tiny little hole right where the hemostat, see that? Yeah, this tiny little hole, which is kind of a bummer. So what I did then was I bought another hemostat, and this one has no jaws. So this is smooth. Next, I'm going to get the shirt spiraled up, and then we're going to put on a couple of different colors and a pattern that I'll show you in just a minute. And if you hang out until the end of the video, my color choice will make a little bit more sense. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a cuticle pusher, and I'm going to sort of push in some of the folds. It's going to give just a little bit more of an interesting pattern in the final product. Next thing I'm going to do is we're going to apply the dye, and I'm going to change some stuff up on the table here so I can make a little bit less of a mess. It's going to be a two-color spiral. I'm going to put one color here in these two sections and the other color in these two sections. And the colors that we're using are Sapphire Blue and Deep Orange. These are both colors from Dharma Trading. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So leave in the comments if you think you know what these colors are all about. And I'm going to let this batch for 24 hours, and then we'll do the rinse out. I'll do a reveal on the table here, and then at the very end of the video, I'll explain the colors. All right, it's the next day. Let's take a look. All right, very much what I was expecting. Real simple, two colors. Pretty good tight spiral. Turned out nice. This shirt I made for a specific purpose. So in just a minute here, that will make a little bit of sense.